something.
Say something. Something.
Something.
That's great.
No. What do you want me to say?
Something.
Oh, something.
Be careful with the string. Oh no! Why there, baby? It's hot. So these are the baits that we have. This is sun fleece. This is a lot. What's this?
That's
I don't know
just
what
cut
it's
bait.
called.
That's fish.
This
Call it cut
one.
bait.
Hey, he caught a fish.
Look, Brad got one.
Baby, wow, congrats. Ooh. This is for our dinner. What kind of fish?
Is this mangrove, Eric? Mangrove snapper.
Okay.
It's too small. We can't keep it.
So you're gonna put it back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Small.
They're just an inch off.
Yeah. Fishing tail.
Okay.
Fishing St. Pete.
Fishing at St. Pete with the pool over there. With a view like this. Perfect. Okay, so we're going here at the deck. Dun, 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 dun.
All right. So let's line out. There's no weight on there, so you gotta let it out by your. Okay, that's good. Now just drop it down in the water. That's good. That's good. Let it. No, click it. Okay. Just drop it down a little bit more.
Baby, you did nothing.
Baby, you sure you want to try? Come on, baby. What do you need?
A little bit lower, baby. There you go. When you feel it tug. All right. Roll it up. Roll it up. Reel it up. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Good job, babe.
But I
The
have to put it back.
It's a mangrove, yeah. Mangrove snapper. Too
I'm
small.
so sorry for you. Ouch.
No, no.
Gonna get the shrimp, the bait. Sarap ng hangin. They're small.
Yeah.
So we have to put it back again because it's
Right? 10 for mangrove.
10 for mangrove.
oh okay. So say goodbye.
Drop it off over here.
Up a little bit. That's good. Okay. Get a bite. You had a bite?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a mangrove. I could see it. Got him? Yeah. Good job, babe. That's a bigger one.
No, it's small one.
It's big. It's bigger, but it's not. Oh. Eric, look at
You
this
know,
one.
it'll probably be 9 inches again.
Yeah. I want to measure it.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn
Because I wanna throw this.
Okay. You got I left the weight on her. Down the bottom.
That's a good size hardhead catfish, baby.
Yeah, food for dinner.
You hear him?
He's talking.
You hear him?
That's a very decent-sized catfish.
Yeah, it is.
Sino ka ba?
Be careful, sister. They got real sharp
Huh?
spines.
Ayoko nang. Not sa banda.
Just calm down.
Yeah.
It's all right. Just let go.
I'll take the rest.
Okay, baby.
I'll put it here.
Good job, bud.
Just take a piece. Talk to the vlog.
Hi everybody, we're here at St. Pete Beach. Here with my wife, my brothers in the background fishing. Having a great time here, just a short little weekend getaway.
So, are you done?
Just not getting bites.
Bex, nagkumakaway sila.
But I just need to cut the line.
No need to buy pizza. Oh, baby! Baby! How can I? You got a bite? Yeah. What am I gonna do with this?
You still have it?
Welcome to my channel. I got a baby.
Great, get them out of handle.
It's like, baby, look.
Is that break?
I don't know if it's broken.
I don't think so.
No, it's broke.
It's broke. I'm sorry, brother.
It's all right. Just get another
It's his
one.
fault, so let's eat him.
That's a big one.
That sucks. Well, I'll just.
Is it because it's too heavy? Can
No,
you
but
return
you know what
it?
that is? Yeah, I can return that. Sure.
Okay.
Well, that's the thing about that's those Pisca funds.
Mm,
So
that's a big one, babe.
yeah,
What you use? You just using that scallop?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I guess. Sorry, brother.
it's not your fault. I've got another one I can replace it with, and then I'll
So
go
send
ahead
it
and
this
send that one
back.
back. That sucks. Bro. Okay.
Go with
Okay, look. I'll just roll this.
it. She's like, baby, look.
Okay, I'm gonna put it back at the fish. Goodbye. Time check, it's 8 p.m.
Catfish. And a hardhead. That was on scallop. Maybe not. No?
Yeah, catfish.
Big hardhead.
we were traveling.